Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So moving ahead, if you look at the question says that a class of 1000 students comprising boys and girls is divided into three sections named A, B and C. The ratio of boys to girls in the class is 9:11, right? So that means the total number of boys that we have is basically equal to 900, and the number of girls in the class, number of boys is equal to 450, and the number of girls is equal to 550, right? Number of boys is 450 and number of girls is 550. Okay. And also if you look, so boys percentage is 45% and percentage of girls is 55%. Okay, 55%. Now a table has been given to you regarding sections. So section A, there are 60% boys, so definitely remaining 40% are girls. And similarly for section B, we have 40% girls, so that means 60% boys are. Okay, so this is something that is clear to us. Now, coming to the first question, it says, based on the above information, which of the following is true? So it is asking about if P is equal to A, if P is less than A or greater than, P is equal to Q or less than Q or greater than Q if the data is insufficient. Now guys, if you see that total boys are 45%, out of that, they are 60 and 60% available in section A and B, right? They are 60 and 60% available in section A and B. That means in section C, definitely they have to be less than 45%. Okay, they have to be less than 45%, otherwise the total number of boys would cross 45%. So that means the value of P is definitely less than 45%. In that case, the value of Q automatically gets greater than 45%, right? So in that case, what is happening is that P is less than Q. So P will be less than Q. That is option number B is the right answer. Now moving on to the second question. The second question says that if the number of students in section C is 600, okay, number of students in section C is 600. That means above two combined are 400, right? Then it is asking what is the value of 3P, 3Q plus 2P. Okay, so you have been asked 3Q plus 2P, right? So what you can write it as, is as Q plus 2 into Q plus P, right? Because 2Q will get to 3, will be added to Q and it will be 3Q and you will have 2P, right? Now P plus Q is definitely 100. Okay. P plus Q is definitely 100. That is something we know that because that is the percentage of boys and girls. So the value of 3Q plus 2P ultimately turns out to be Q plus 200. So all we need to find is the value of Q, right? All we need to find is the value of Q, right? Now, see, the number of students, okay, the number of students in the two sections is 3:2. That is in C is to A plus B is 3:2, right? It is 3:2. Okay. Now what you know is that there are 40% girls in section A and B, so the average is 40, right? Whereas the entire average of the girls is 55%, right? Whereas the value of girls in C, that is Q, is unknown to us. Now this is what we are doing is allegation, and we know that the ratio has to turn out to be 3:2. The ratio has to turn out to be 3:2, right? So if you solve this, what you get is 15 over here. Okay, 15 when you get this, and from here what do you get is Q minus 55. Okay, from here what you get is Q minus 55. This says will be equal to 3/2. So upon solving this, we get 30 is equal to 3Q minus 3Q minus what? 165. From here you get that 3Q value is equal to 195. When 3Q is equal to 195, you get your Q as equal to 65. Now the value of Q is available to you 65. So basically 3Q plus P will be equal to 265. So the correct answer is option number A. Now moving on to the third question. The third question says that if the ratio of number of students in section A, B and C is 1:3:6, what is the ratio of number of girls in section C, B and E? So it is asking about the number of girls in CB and okay. So there are 100 students in A. Okay, there are 300 students in B, and there are 600 students in C, right? So if there are 100 students in A, the number of girls is 40. If there are 300 girls in B, 40% of that, that is 120 will be girls, right? And we have to find the ratio. And in total, there were 550 girls. Out of that, 160 girls are available here. So the remaining 390 girls would go to section C. Now all you have to do is find the ratio in terms of 390 is to 120 is to 40. This is the ratio that you have to find. So the correct answer for this will be 78 is to 24 is to 8. This is what we will get. So the correct answer for the third question is option number C. Now this was a pretty easy set, guys, apart from the question number 2, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching.